Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So I just got the Ashley Strong palette by Morphe, and what I love about it is the packaging. I love how it has the side flaps that open up. It is very unique and most palettes do not open that way. And I love the names of the shades. So you got names like I am beautiful, I am confident, I am radiant, I am powerful, I am talented, I am love, I am unique. Just some beautiful, inspirational names. So I tried to make a look similar to this, and here is how my look turned out. What do you think? Do you think it looks good? So I enjoy this look. Normally I do not do all matte shades, so this was a big change for me because, you know, I love me some glitters and shimmers on my lids, but I think it turned out really good. So if you want to see how I created this look and all the swatches in this palette, then first make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. And then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, my eyes are all prepped. I got concealer down and then a translucent powder over it. So let's begin. So I'm gonna start with my transition color with I Am Happy. So sometimes it's hard to be happy, especially in moments where you mop all your floors, which you only do once a year, and on that very day, you have spaghetti, and a child drops their whole plate of spaghetti with spaghetti sauce everywhere, and it splatters, and you're just like looking at the floor like, oh, come on. Or when you get to work and you have a big meeting in a half an hour and you realize, oh no, I left my laptop at home, and that has all your stuff on it, and now you're in a big panic and you're not feeling so happy. But this color is a cheerful mustard color shadow, and it blended well. I think it's a good transition shade. Now for the crease color, I'm going to use I Am Brave. So I'd say the two bravest things that I've ever done, one is I tried sushi. Now some of you might love it and think, what? That's a brave thing that you did? Well, I eat only hamburgers, hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, chicken nuggets, like anything a 5-year-old would eat. So it was pretty brave of me to try sushi. Now, the second thing I would say is having this YouTube channel. So to all my fellow YouTubers out there, I commend you. It's tough. It's brutal. It's a lot of fun and rewarding, but you got to be brave to put yourself out there. So great job to everyone that has a channel. Now I'm going to go back to the first color, I Am Happy, and just blend out the I Am Brave harsh lines. Now I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, which if you saw my previous video where I use this, I love using this trick. This is going to help make my lid color stick to it better and also make it stand out more. Now for the lid color, I'm going to use a beautiful baby blue color called I Am Calm. So this one's hard for me too. I struggle with being calm. So we have the Ring doorbell and then the Ring camera in our backyard. And there was a time when I was at work and the notification came that someone rang the bell, and so I looked and I could see this sketchy looking guy with a backpack on, and I was like, huh, who's that? But then he walked away and I was like, huh, oh well. Well, immediately after that, my neighbor called me and said, there are a bunch of guys going in your backyard. And so then I was not so calm and I was panicking. And we had just ran out of the free trial where it records everything, and we hadn't signed up to pay for it yet. So we could see things live, but it would not record. So then I'm trying to call my husband, call my son, and no one was answering. And so I'm like, there's these people in the backyard. Now my husband was not home, but my son was. Now my son, like, stays up in his room and, like, never comes out. So I wanted him to, run downstairs, make a lot of noise, see what's going on, peek out. But he wasn't answering. And so I was a mess. I was panicking. Oh, what are they going to do? What are they doing in our backyard? Are they going to break in? I also watch a lot of true crime. So that puts some bad thoughts in my head of what's going on. So I then zipped home. And by that time, my son was out of his room. And I'm like, why weren't you answering? But we never really knew what happened. We didn't see anything stolen. So I don't know what they were doing. So this is a beautiful, soft blue shade. It's very bright. I think it looks good. Now, this side, no fallout. This side, tons of fallout. I don't know why, but that always happens where one side I don't have any and the other I have a ton. Who knows? Now I'm going to go back to my crease color of I Am Brave. And we're just going to kind of go back over that crease and kind of blend the lid and the crease together. And now we're going to clean up that mess as well. Now on to the color I Am Thankful. And I'm going to use this on a rounded brush in the corner of my eye. So I have a lot of things that I'm thankful for, but most recently I went to the grocery store and there was a car parked here and I pulled in. And when I pulled in, I was doing something, probably looking at something on my phone, and then I took my foot off the brake. Well, I never put it in park, so I started to roll forward. And luckily, I was able to quickly put my foot on the brake, and I stopped the car just within inches of hitting that other car. So I'm very thankful for those quick reaction that I had. So I'd say this is a good color brown, nice. The outer corner, I'm going to kind of blend it in the crease a little bit too. Do you guys ever get that where it does this weird line thing? I don't know if it's because my eyes kind of crunches together and then when it pulls apart, it makes those lines. I have that like all the time, so I don't really know how to avoid it. Maybe I gotta pull my skin apart. I don't know. If anyone has any advice, put it in the comments down below. So I'm going to go back to that crease color again and now blend to get rid of the harsh line of the color I Am Thankful. Now some of the brown got all over the blue, so I'm going to go back to I Am Calm and go back over that. So now I'm probably going to get too much blue and getting that in the brown. So it's like a never-ending battle when you're blending and putting colors down. So a lot of back and forth, back and forth. This time I have no product on it. And I'm just going to go over where the blue got a little carried away again. Right, now we're going to clean it up. And if you've watched my videos before, you know what I do. If you don't, I take a Q-tip with lotion. And then I sharpen up the line and pull it back to lift up those eyes. And here is the final look. So again, I really enjoyed this all matte look. I think it's gorgeous. I think it blended well, and it turned out great. Now on to the swatches. So here is the first row of shades, and from left to right is I am calm, I am exact, I am focused, I am beautiful, I am confident, and I am empowered. Now onto the second row, and again from left to right is I am brave, I am happy, I am radiant, I am powerful, I am magical, and I am unstoppable. And the last row is I am talented, I am kind, I am loved, I am unique, I am thankful, and I am creative. So there you have it. Now I went online to check out the reviews, and it was about 50-50. 50% absolutely loved it, and 50% absolutely hated it. Now those that hated it said it was patchy, and that they put the colors on their eyes and then poof, throughout the day it would just disappear. Now I've only done this look, and I'm only going off the swatches on my arm, and I love it. I love the colors. I think they are very soft and creamy, and I thought they had great pigment. So I would say that this palette is worth a try. Well, thank you for watching this video. And as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!